Welcome back to Afternoon Express on this Wellness Wednesday.
Well, Palesa, it may be back to school for some, whilst many other kiddos wait in anticipation for their first day at school. Our Clover Classic custard and apple muffins provide the perfect accompaniment to any school lunch and are the perfect inspiration you need at this time of the year. Palesa, you know my little one's back like he's in Cape Town now, right?
Yes.
So this is all the inspiration I need for those lunches, because we want to make sure the lunches are nutritious but also healthy. So to get started with our muffins, you've got the dry ingredients over there, some flour, baking powder and salt. So all I need you to do is just mix them up, basically. Let them have a nice little gathering there. Even though we can't gather, our ingredients sure can. And Mina, what I'm doing here, I've just broken one of our 2 eggs into some sugar. And all I am doing here is basically working my elbows. You know, we can't go to the gym, but I'm sure I can get some of that exercise that's much needed right now.
That's the only grease I want in the kitchen, elbow grease.
Elbow grease, girl. So all I'm doing here, just whisking up my eggs and sugar, making sure they have a nice thick consistency. And then once you've mixed up your flour there, you can actually get started with melting some of our Clover Classic fat spread with cream into this little pot we've got over here. All we want basically is just to melt it. So you know whenever you bake, there has to be some fat in the mixture.
Yes.
So instead of having to go and use oil and stuff, so forth, Clover Classic, yeah, you can actually make 2 spoonfuls of that. Clover Classic has got such a range that we've also got this amazing fat spread that we could use.
Beautiful.
So all you're doing there, we're going to melt that up. Let me heat that up for you. And once it's melted, I'll add it here into our other wet ingredients. And to go with our wet ingredients, I've got here some milk that I'm going to mix together here. And the apple part of our apple muffins is some grated apples. So I'm going to just move this aside and actually start grating the rest of our apples here. I'm actually doing 3.
Okay.
You could do 2, but it depends on how well you know your kid. If you know that your child will be able to taste that there's apple in there, then you go very minimum. But my son likes apples. Put that into this cup tin as is. Put it into the muffins. It's completely up to you. I mean, this Clover Classic range is so great because it's actually got so many vitamins. We've got vitamin A, vitamin B2, we've got vitamin D. So it's got quite a lot of nutrients that our kiddos need at this time of the year, or throughout the year, basically.
Absolutely. What I also like about apples is, honestly, South Africa, most children adore apples.
True.
I know it's never a hassle or a fight having to get my nieces and nephews and godchildren just enjoying a good slice of apples.
That is
so I'm
very
going
true.
to also hand you the dry ingredients that I've already whipped up. Just again, as a recap, I've had some flour, some baking powder, and of course, some salt.
Correct. Perfect. Thank you so much. And then the last but not least of our ingredients here, which is the wet ingredients, I'm adding in our Clover Classic vanilla custard. So this is the custard part of our mixture, and this basically makes it nice and decadent and creamy and delicious. So all I'm going to do now is just whisk it up a bit. Make sure, I actually want to add a bit more, but obviously South Africa, all the recipe details are on Afternoon Express, so don't mind me. You know me, I like to be all indulgent and so forth.
It's got to be creamy, honey. If it ain't creamy, do we even want it? But you don't even have to try that hard with this Clover Classic range. As it is, as decadent as it is, I mean, the Clover has made sure that we've got nothing but the best.
Correct.
Speaking of classics.
Correct, girl. And then I'm going to go in there with my fat spread, and then that's all our wet ingredients done. And I don't know if you noticed me putting our apples in here.
Yes.
The reason for this is to make sure that they basically get coated and they don't sink to the bottom of our mixture when we're baking. So we basically want to coat each of them, all of them with the flour, and then we drop the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, mix this all up with our whisk. Obviously, because we've already whisked it up, you don't have to worry about it being, we always say don't overmix. So all we're doing now is just mixing everything together. And then we're going to pour this amazing mixture into our muffin tray that's already been lined with some cupcake molds or baking paper. All I'm going to do is just basically scoop all of this into our mixture.
I love that.
We always say that the messier the better. So
I was actually going to say, let me help you. If I could hold down maybe the paper for you.
And
this is a fun way of getting the entire family involved in making this. I'm going to hold this still whilst you pour, baby.
Thank you, Mama. Obviously, if you've got an ice cream scoop that allows you to do this, you can actually use that, because that actually works perfectly. So I'm going to use that to scoop in there, and then use that, and that actually works perfectly. But South Africa, if you by any chance missed the steps on how to get this amazing recipe, please do go on to afternoonexpress.co.za.
Had classic fashion from Timby. classic cars. Thanks, Chad. And we've seen classic hairstyles. And you, Michael? Classic.
A classic range from Clover. Timeless taste.
Made with love by Clover.